Hello students, this time we are going to see the topic about hooks for essays. Hooks are important because we need them to get the reader's attention in our writing. It is an attention grabber. It is part of the introductory paragraph, that is the first paragraph. It is usually the first opening sentence in introductory paragraphs. A hook can be more than one sentence. And there are some types of hooks. I'm going to show them to you later. So I'm going to make a brief explanation about this topic, hooks, but it is your responsibility to continue reading about this. Okay? The next question is, how does a hook grab attention? Well, it can happen when you present a surprising fact or quoting someone famous, a quotation that is a quotation from a famous person, or by giving a shocking statement. There are other types of hooks that I'm going to explain later, just as I said. There are some other types, but these three are probably the most important. Now, these are others by asking the reader questions that require some answer, and also by asking rhetorical questions that may not necessarily require an answer. These are some examples, as you can see. This is a surprising fact. It says the three wealthiest families in the world have more assets than the combined wealth of the 48 poorest nations. Can you think of a topic where this hook could be useful? As many as 34% of dogs are overweight or obese. You see, these are surprising facts. Here we have some quotations from famous people. The first one, it says, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. And it was said by Winston Churchill. The next one is by Nelson Mandela, who said that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. So these are sayings, these are some quotations from famous people, and the objective of these quotations is to get the reader's attention. So that is what you have to do in your writing, to get the reader's attention to continue reading your writing. Now, these ones are examples of shocking statistics. Only 2% of kids in the United States eat healthy. So that is a shocking statistic that will get immediately the reader's attention. The next one is that more than 1 million species have become extinct due to disappearing habitats, ecosystems, and acidic oceans, all caused due to global warming. Now we're going to see asking the reader some questions, and those questions require answers. Can you go back and think about your childhood fantasies of becoming famous? The other one is, have you ever wondered why kids are easily attacked by viruses and bacteria? You see, those questions require some answers from the reader, and the reader is going to continue reading what you have written. Asking the reader the rhetorical questions. These are questions which the reader is not expected to answer, and these are alarming questions that give the reader food for thought. Can you imagine a world without water? Would life be the same without the internet? Can you think of similar rhetorical questions? So this is your task. This is your task to think about other rhetorical questions that you may use in your essay. In all cases, the hook makes readers want to learn more about the information it gives in the form of a statement, a quotation, a statistics, or a question. Here I have some tips to writing an effective hook. You have to read, and reread the prompt before writing the hook. Think of questions that you would like to ask about the topic. Make a list of those questions. By doing so, you are also narrowing your topic. Choose the most important questions for you from the list. Try to find out information on it. You will use this information for your body paragraphs. Then decide whether you want to keep the question as a hook, or if you have to change it into a statement, or statistics, or a question. Practicing hook writing. Prompt. Many cities suffer from serious air and noise pollution as well as endless traffic jams because of too many cars. Some people feel that cities with extensive public transportation systems should ban uh, passenger cars and force people to walk, bike, or use public transportation. Write your opinion about this. Here are some questions you might want to ask yourself before writing. What is pollution? What is air noise pollution? What happens when there are too many cars on the road? Should people be banned from using their private cars to solve traffic problems? Can biking be an alternative for traffic jams? The first three questions are very obvious, hence the last two might be the most important ideas that could make effective hooks. You see, these are the first two are two basic questions, but the 3, 4, and 5 are the most important ideas that could make effective uh, hooks. Okay, well, I'm going to read it. The last two, the 4 and 5. However, before making them your hooks, have enough information about them. Remember, everything you write in your essay should follow your hook. Decide on their form. Can you use them as they are, or do you prefer to statement form? Remember to choose powerful words here. Question. Should people be banned from using their private vehicles? Statement. Banning people from using their personal vehicles plays an important role in solving the problem of traffic congestion. Which form is more effective in this case and why? Think a little bit and let me know. Now let's write more hooks. Follow similar steps and write a hook for the following prompts, then write a title for your essay. Okay, people, I'm going to provide you the link of this presentation for you to develop this practice. You see? So thank you very much. In my next video, you are going to learn about thesis statement, which is another very important topic before starting writing your essay, your cause and effect essay. So if you have any question, please let me know. Remember, the most important thing about these slides is that we need to write hooks to get the reader's attention. You see? So see you on our next video. Have a nice time.